Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Ring doorbell not detecting motion or picking up motion. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, reboot your doorbell. To reboot your Ring doorbell using the Ring app, follow this step. First of all, open the Ring app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal line upper left corner to the open and side menu. Tap on the device. Then select the Ring doorbell you want to reboot. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the device setting. Okay. Scroll down and tap on the device health. Tap on the reboot to reboot your Ring doorbell. Okay. Then disable the motion detection and enable it again. Open the Ring app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal line in upper left corner and open the side menu. Tap on the device. Select the Ring doorbell you want to adjust. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the device setting. Okay. Then scroll down and tap on the motion setting, and then you have to tap on the motion detection to toggle it off. Okay. And wait for the few seconds, then tap on motion detection again to toggle it back on. And then reset your Ring doorbell. Locate the setup button on your Ring device. Press and hold the setup button for 20 seconds to reset the device. After the reset, set up your device again and check if the motion detection has been resolved. And then check for the placement of the doorbell. Mount the doorbell between 48 and 56 inches above the ground with clear view of the motion area. Ensure it is not obstructed by tree, plant or other object, and it is a level angle facing mentioned area. So this is the all step. Thanks guys.